Hello and welcome back. Today we will configure the standard access list. Standard access list is a type of an access list used to filter the traffic network. Or in another way, let's say that it's a rule or rules that define of controlling the network traffic. It's a policy or a rule. So let us configure it and see how to configure it. I have already configured. We have two departments, the sales department and the HR department. So this is our web server, and we have one network, which is 192.168 and 100/24. So I have already configured the PCs, the IP address of the PCs and its default gateway. So they are all on the same network. So now we will configure the IP addresses of the interfaces of the router in the standard access list. So let's check. Let's first configure our interfaces. Say no, enable config T for the global configuration. And now let us first configure the host name. It's very important. And no IP domain lookup for any error to prevent. Now let us configure the interface gigabit 0x0. IP address is 192.168.100.1. Its subnet is 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Let's configure the gigabit 0x1. IP address will be 8.8.8.1. /24 will be 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. So let us now check if the PCs can ping its default. Let's check PC1. Ping 192.168.100.1. Yes, it can ping its default gateway. Let's check the server. It can ping its default, which is 8.8.8.1. Yes, it can ping. So now let us configure the standard access list. It's from 1 to 99. In the extended, let's check access list question mark. The standard access list is from 1 to 99. The extend access list is from 100 to 199. So now we will configure the standard. Let us give it a number like 50. So now we have to just permit these two of the sales department, these two PCs, to ping the web server. So you will say access list 50 permanent question mark host. So their IP address 192.168.100.10. The other PC is 20. One more thing is denying the HR. So you have to say access list 50, the number we gave, deny any. So now we configure the standard access list, but still it's not effective or it's not activated. because it's using something called inbound and outbound. Standard access list uses the source host or the source IP address, which is this interface, gigabit 0 by 0. So we have to group them in the interface of gigabit 0 by 0 IP access group. We gave 50, we have to say in. Done. Exit, do right, and show access list. We have permanented these two PCs, which is the sales department, to ping the web host or the web server. So now let's check if they can ping this one, which is interface, which the IP address 8888. Let's check this PC. It can ping 8.8.8.8. Yes, sales department can ping the Google. Let's check the HR department. First, let's check if it can ping its default gateway. Even they can't ping the default gateway. Let's check if it can ping 888. The destination host unreachable. So we did a rule to allow the sales department to ping the web server, and the HR department are not allowed to ping. We just permanent or allowed to go through the source interface by the standard access list that we have made, the policy or the rule to just allow the sales department to ping the Google, for example, the Google server. So these two PCs, let's check PC2, it can ping. This is the sales. Oh, sorry. It can ping. But if you come to PC3, which is the department, the HR department can't ping. The destination host is unreachable. This is how to configure the standard access list. As we said, the standard access list is a rule or a policy that controls the network traffic. It allows or it permanent or deny the network to pass through. Thank you so much. Hope you gain some knowledge and understand how to configure the standard access list.